What is OLAP? OLAP is an approach to working with data in a multidimensional format, a format that facilitates the analysis of business activity. OLAP may utilize specialized data structures, employ analysis techniques based on dimensional data, and use specialized user interfaces. OLAP is an important component of most business intelligence systems. Business intelligence systems deliver quantitative measures of business performance that give insight to the business process. It lets managers see what is happening so they can make the best decisions. This illustration shows that process in action. Dimensions are at the center of the OLAP approach. They are used to organize data. Dimension members represent the elements of the application universe, for example, products or time frames, customers or business entities. Dimension members can be described, categorized, and organized into hierarchies. OLAP can be used most productively when the components of the dimensional model are understood and applied by practitioners with high levels of expertise. Expert practitioners know how to deal with the challenges that are encountered in complex real-world situations. Here you see a pair of trained hierarchaeologists grappling with a ragged hierarchy. Information provided in the OLAP framework consist of multidimensional cubes of data. These are arrays of data broken out into functional categories that correspond to business drivers. These cubes are like data hotels with rooms, data cells, for every combination of dimension members. Data cubes often comprise very large sets of data cells. Not uncommon are sparse cubes in which many cells are empty. Here you see a sparse data cube. Please don't stare at the 7. He appreciates his privacy while data cleansing. In addition to dealing with sparsity, the physical design of multidimensional data is concerned with dimension order, partitioning, and deciding when to pre-calculate derived data values and when to calculate on the fly. Here you see the process of calculating data on the fly. The benefits of OLAP technology. OLAP reports show how business results vary as a function of key drivers. It gives the analyst the ability to create and format their own reports and allows the analyst to choose the level of detail. By cruising down the multidimensional superhighway, the analyst can explore the data and get a feel for the dynamics of the business process. Dimensions are often represented by 3 arrows symbolizing the axes of a 3-dimensional coordinate system. This illustration depicts the multidimensional superhighway down which you may someday find yourself cruising. Data mining attempts to uncover relationships buried in data using computer algorithms. OLAP systems, on the other hand, give dimensional displays of business performance so that a human user can see those relationships. Maximum value of OLAP technology is realized when system designers know the techniques and strategies for creating insightful metrics. There is a wealth of approaches for doing this. In my book, The Multidimensional Data Modeling Toolkit, I call the practice of designing insightful multidimensional metrics analytical alchemy. In addition to being conversant with the building blocks of multidimensional data, dimensions, attributes, hierarchies, data cubes, formulas, and so on, you should understand something of the physical design to ensure you enjoy optimal performance and avoid problems such as a combinatorial explosion. Here you see Andrew has overlooked this issue. Understanding the software elements is a part of the practice. Another is understanding the analytical elements. The classic application of OLAP is to create multidimensional breakouts of application data. To get additional insight, you can build derived measures from the baseline data. These derived quantities might include attribute breakouts, dimension profilers, counting measures, time series manipulations, and others. Once you understand both the software and analytic components, you are ready to stage your first multidimensional data modeling show. Adoring OLAPistas from around the globe will flock to admire your excellent work.